GlenDimplex. GlenDimplex, formerly known as Glen Electric, is an Irish-based consumer electrical goods firm headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. The company is privately held, with manufacturing and development centers in the Republic of Ireland, the United Kingdom, China, and many other locations around the world. The company also has branches in North America, Germany, the Netherlands, Japan, Poland, Belgium, France, Australia, and Scandinavia. The company was founded by Martin Naughton and is wholly owned by him after he bought out the other shareholders in 2003. Martin Naughton stepped down as president of Glen Dimplex in 2016, replaced by Group Chief Executive Sean O'Driscoll. Fergal Naughton was later appointed as Group CEO. History. The company was incorporated on August 23, 1973, 1973-8-23 as Glen Electric in Newry, Northern Ireland, an electric heater manufacturer with 10 employees, and it was founded as Glen Dimplex due to a merger with Dimplex, a large electric heating appliance manufacturer, on May 6, 1970. Morphy Richards and Berco Dean Appliances were acquired by the Glen Dimplex Group in 1985 and were based in Mexborough near Doncaster, England. Creda was acquired by the group in 1987. Felling was acquired in July 1992, Roberts Radio in November 1994, Goblin Vacuum Cleaners in June 1998, LEC Refrigeration in March 2005. Dimplex was the shirt sponsor of Southampton Football Club from 1993 until 1995. In 2018, the Merseyside-based home appliances division, which makes cookers and refrigerators under the Britannia, Lec, New World, and Stoves brands, announced a streamlining of operations, resulting in up to 300 of its 1,000 permanent staff at its Knowsley plant being made redundant. Brands and acquisitions. References